Okay, today I'm going to tackle the issue of my pantry. You see my shelves, they're just real sparse. The builder just literally put like 3 boards in when there should have been 6 or 7. And you see the width of the shelves, they're about 2 feet. So they just left out half of the boards. So my solution is going to be just to use these supreme wide stacking shelves. Is made by a company called Witmor. It's supposed to be able to hold 200 pounds, which that won't be a problem. It's made of chromed steel. I'm not sure what that means. And it's modular, so you can stack it, and that shelf is adjustable in 1-inch increments. Here's all of our parts laid out. The shelf itself, 4 legs, and let me show you. The bottom of the leg is strange. It has this little foot that screws in and out, so we'll see what that does. There's 10 of these half-circle plastic pieces, 4 of these gadgets. Whoop. Has threads on it. 4 of these. It's like some type of headless screw. Has threads on each side. We start by taking our 2 half plastic pieces, and the end with the built-in plastic end is the bottom. So you're supposed to place these wherever you want them. This is going to be the top of the shelf. I want to divide my existing shelf in half, so I'm going to make it a little low. And I'm not sure you can see it, but these little half plastic pieces, they have the word top and an arrow, so make sure it's pointing up. Okay, I've done that to all 4 poles. Now we take our shelf, and you can tell where the top is because the grates are on top. It has like this edge. And we slide each pole into it. Remember, this part's the bottom. Slide each pole until it hits the sleeve. And again, if you want a shorter shelf, you would just put your plastic sleeve you created lower. And again, the sleeve, you want to make sure for all 4 poles you put the sleeve in the same place, or of course you'll have a crooked shelf. So I put this in there, and it says just trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, let me do the other one. Okay. Oh, that seems to be fine. So I did 2. They do slide down, but they ended up being in the same place. I think the little grooves on the poles, they're designed so it looks like your sleeve's going to slide down to the next groove under it. And in my case, it's fine. I'm not that particular with where the shelves end up. It's just going to be inside my closet. So again, push it through, and again, you'll feel it sliding down till it hits that next groove. And then it says, you can just push it down. 1 more, we're ready to roll. Last one. Push it. There. Okay, so I'm just going to push on each side, make sure we're good to go. It's pretty sturdy. Now these little plastic caps screw in to the top. See, there's a little hole. Now also you can stack these. And I believe if you want to stack them, you'd put one of these in the top. Put one of these in the top hole, take off the foot, and then just keep going. See the instructions? You would just replace the bottom foot with this screw for the shelves in between to connect them. So this is cute. me finish putting my caps on, and I'll go put it on my pantry shelf and we'll see how it looks. Okay, for my purposes, it's fully assembled. I'm going to go ahead and screw my feet in tightly so it's not wobbly and crickety. There we go. This is my finished product. It's pretty great. I'm super happy about it. I've literally about doubled my storage space in my pantry. This is the best shelf I can find. That would be no fuss, no tools, no drilling, hammering. I didn't even need a screwdriver. It's just so awesome. And it can be adjusted in 1-inch increments. And you see, I have a little bit of space on the end, which is great. I can put trays there, oven racks, you name it. So I have 2 more to do, and so I should be totally done in a couple minutes, and it's going to be a huge improvement. So the instructions say it takes 15 minutes to assemble. You see right out of the box, first time ever even looking at it, it just took a couple minutes, and it's supposed to hold up to 200 pounds. So it should last forever. It's going to be perfect. And you can see it's very, very sturdy. Now if it does slide around, you can just put little rubber pads underneath, but I don't expect any issues. So I personally love it. I have to give it an A+. Thank you.